Digits on the beat.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the next episode of me, or a little vlogs type style video. I've got some pretty good news actually, for a change. It's something not negative, but I have just received an email from the Transport Trust, I do believe, something around those lines anyway. And they've been in touch and they have said that I've been nominated for Young Preservationist of the Year, which you might remember a couple of months back when I put it on the video. And related to that is I missed the deadline by about a week, so they'd already picked the winner, so that was me done for that year, for last year's 2018. But I got an email and they have told me that I am a nominee for 2019 Young Preservationist of the Year, which involves being young, restoring classic cars or doing something around classic cars. I think the cut-off point's either 17 or 18 for this category, so I'm alright. So yeah, obviously I started rebuilding cars when I was 14. At the age of 13 I was rebuilding a classic Mini rear trailer, so the rear half of the Mini as a trailer, and I'd done 2 of those. But before that time I was helping my dad on his Morris Minor Traveller, things like that. So it really took a massive point after the second trailer. Whilst I still had the second trailer, I had my 78 Clubman, and it was just really, it took off from that point. So all I'm going to say is I'll keep everyone posted on what's going on and what's the updates and things. I'm waiting for, I've got an email that someone's going to be in touch with me to sort out an interview, which they'll come here, look at the cars, I can show them everything I've done, got pictures, interview me. After that, I will be put into the local paper again, because of that. After that, if I win, you go to Goodwood for a presentation, sort of like assembly thing, and you get £500 prize money. Which brings me on to the next thing. If I do win, which I probably won't, but there's always a chance, half of it I will keep for myself and put towards the next project after this one, and the other half of it will go to cancer research, which brings me on to the third thing. It's going to cancer research, A, because everyone is affected by it. Like, everyone I talk to has known someone who's been affected by it, especially me with doing the cars. At the age of 9, we had a family friend, and he promised me we were going to do a Mini pickup together as my first car. Obviously, when I was 9, he passed away. I messed that up. When I was 9, he passed away, but he promised me probably when I was 8 or 7. So the dream was, right, let's bring on the years, and then I can buy a Mini and we can do it together. Obviously, the prices of Mini pickups have rocketed. For a shell, you're talking about at least £3,000, which at my age, I don't have a job, so I couldn't afford one. So with the 2 trailers I sold, I made it my mission to buy a Mini. And my mission was to buy a Mini, restore it, and do it in the memory of him. And if my idea was we were going to build it together, we were going to share the memories, we were going to build it, how we would do it together, and me and him would share it as our hobby. But because he passed away, I wanted to share my hobby with anyone. I wanted to show you all what I can do, and made mistakes, which I have. I just wanted to show every one of you that no matter how old you are, anything's possible if you give it a try. I rebuilt the engine from scratch, which was a nightmare, but it's happened, and it starts and it drives. I just currently fit the door on, so it's not bad. And look at the shine on that for a outside spray job. It hasn't had wax or anything, so it's really not bad for me. Obviously there are a few areas which some of you will probably point out as soon as you see it at a car show, but at the end of the day I built it on the driveway and that's how it is. But yeah, look, just look at that rear end though, she is not bad. So all that I'd like to say, I'll put a link in the description, is if you want to nominate me, then please feel free to. All that you have to do is put who I am, who you are, email address of yourself, and a sort of a story summary of my work and what you think about me and everything like that. Which, if you want to do that, that'd be really appreciated. If not, I've been nominated, so at the moment it's still going ahead. But obviously, more nominations, then they might get a bigger picture before they come of what the situation is. So yeah, this is actually happening this time. Last time it was happening, but I'd missed the deadline. So let's see what we can do. All that it's finally good news out of everything, and I'm finally proud to say that I've built this car. Obviously, it's not even finished yet, but I was probably last week. I was like, I've never been proud of building this car at all. People say, "Are you proud?" I say, "No." I say, "I won't be proud until it's finished." But it makes me feel like all the hard work's paying off because I've got a newspaper, I've got mini magazine. Well, I've already been in mini magazine with the build, but only a little story thing. But I've had an email saying when the car's finished, they'd like to put me in the magazine or mini magazine or do a page, whatever. And then local newspaper and just getting my name around. It's absolutely brilliant. I love it. Yeah. If you want to support the channel, then please go and donate to my GoFundMe page. All the money is being put aside now to, well, I need £100 to finish this car off, and the rest of the money on that sort of goal will be put towards the next project. I don't know what the next project is, but it will be happening after I leave school, because I've got 12 weeks off, so I need another project to keep me busy. So yeah, that's happening. I will put a link in the description to my shop. There's some stickers on there. We've got JTech ones, so if you want to support me and the channel and my car club, buy some JTech stickers. That would be appreciated. We only do externals at the moment, but we are looking at doing internal stickers. My dad's just set up a Facebook page, so it's Nick Smith Signs, so go and check him out. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to say thank you, literally thank you everyone who watches these videos. I know I'm not the best at video and I don't really do much, but I keep you all updated. Thank you for everyone who's been believing in me and at times when I didn't myself. But yeah, it's finally paying off. A lot of progress is happening. So yeah, I'll end it here. So it's a massive thank you to me. Please check out my description for contact details or shops or pages or anything like that. Just go and check them out as well. I've got a split going in my lip again. Yeah, right. That's it from me. Please check out my recent video of the respray of the Beetle and a massive fail on fitting the door windows because the runners just slide off. But yeah, please like and subscribe for more, and I will be with you next week. So thank you very much and cheers.